Let's draw a car. First, draw the car's body. Blue. Good job! Now draw a window. Great! Now draw a front wheel. And a rear wheel. You've made a wonderful car. The word car begins with the letter C. Write the letter C and your car will start its engine and run.